Bitcoin versus blockchain. Although cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin have popularized the concept of blockchain technology, the distributed ledger solution has a longer history. Researchers Stuart Haber and W.H. Stornetta first mentioned blockchain in an attempt to develop a system for timestamping documents. However, Bitcoin's introduction in 2008 and subsequent launch in 2009 saw its first real-world application. Bitcoin's operation depends on the blockchain, not the other way around. Blockchain is self-sufficient. The innovative technology has been used to record other datasets and structures in fields such as healthcare, real estate, animal tracking, population census, supply chain and logistics. Blockchain versus banks. In contrast to the traditional financial system, blockchain is a multi-utilitarian technology. Aside from financial transactions, the distributed ledger technology, DLT, system is gaining traction in various industries. However, regarding finance, timestamp technology continues to outpace the popular brick-and-mortar financial system. While banks have set closing times and do not work on weekends, blockchain facilitates financial transactions 24/7, 365 days a year, with no fixed closing hours. Furthermore, transferring funds with centralized banks can be frustrating. It could take the recipient about 5–10 days to receive the funds for large sums or international transfers. On the other hand, Bitcoin transfers are faster. The average BTC transaction can be completed in about 3–10 minutes, regardless of the recipient's location. Blockchain solutions are significantly less expensive than traditional banks due to the elimination of a middleman. A Bitcoin transaction can range from $0 to $50, depending on the network load when the transaction is completed. Users can also choose how much they will pay in transaction fees. Banks charge customers enormous fees for using their services. This includes overdraft fees, returns, inactivity and even fees for using an automated teller machine, ATM, that's out of service. Other differences include the lack of personal information required, the lack of transaction sanctions, privacy, and the fact that all you need to get started is a Bitcoin, a mobile phone, and an internet connection. Pros and cons of blockchain. Blockchain has both advantages and disadvantages. Here are a few. Pros. 1. Lower transaction fees. 2. Enhanced privacy. 3. Transparent. 4. Zero KYC requirements. 5. Faster transaction time. 6. Zero account seizures. 7. No centralized entity in control. 8. Always online. Cons. 1. Data immutability. 2. Scalability issues. 3. Environmentally tasking. 4. High maintenance cost.
Friends, thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.